lights reveal the crowded room, a restless air, a hint of gloom. The performer stands with trembling hands, aware of all the shifting demands. The eyes that watch begin to weigh the hopes they held for this display. A moment sharp as falling glass, a test he knows he has to pass. He feels the pull of every gaze, a call to grow beyond this phase. Through honest truth he starts to see the strength inside responsibility. He breathes again and looks within, accepts the place where faults begin. The disappointment in their view becomes a chance to start anew. Each lesson forms a steady ground, a path where clearer steps are found. He chooses growth instead of fear, a wiser voice begins to steer. He feels the pull of every gaze, a call to grow beyond this phase. Through honest truth he starts to see the strength inside responsibility. To it all, he feels a pull of every gaze, a call to grow beyond this phase. Through honest truth he starts to see the strength inside responsibility.